heartbeat on my skin.
When most people think of Flagler College or St. Augustine, they usually picture our Ponce de Leon Hotel. However, contrary to popular belief, we don't actually have classes here at the hotel. Rather, this is the freshman girls' dorm, or first-year transfers for girls in case we're overbooked in our other residence hall at FEC.
It's in your eyes.
I did it. There are 4 floors to dorm in here at Ponce, and there are around 300 rooms. The most can carry about 6 people. Since it's the original floor plan, you don't exactly know how many roommates you'll get your first year, depending on what room you're placed in. Once you come to Ponce, though, you'll probably understand why a lot of people end up choosing Flagler. So I'll just let the art speak for itself. Like I said, this is the reason why most people end up coming here. And honestly, I might be one of them at this point. Because, I mean, this place is honestly breathtaking. And for anyone else out there who thinks the same, who doesn't want to live in a castle? Welcome to FEC. Right now, my roommate and I are sitting down in a small courtyard between towers B and C. Sometimes the same 4 walls while you're studying can get pretty distracting, so we came outside to enjoy this nice weather that we have here, because it's not raining for once. Misconception about Florida, it rains a lot. FEC is actually the original Florida East Coast Railway office buildings, and it's been refurbished for upperclassmen dorming. We have 3 towers, A, B, and C, and they're divided by gender according to floor. We have downstairs, you have a common area as well as the pod where you can buy some snacks, even dinner and dessert, and you actually use a swipe from your dining dollars to get a meal, so that way you don't have to walk all the way over to the D hall. Downstairs we have the commons and the pod over here where you can get some snacks, and you can actually use one of your swipes to eat dinner by getting a sandwich. So here's a closer look into the pod. We have microwavable food, ice cream, desserts, lots and lots of coffee, energy drinks, because this is college after all. And just things like proteins, bars, cereal, and so forth.
And hold me forever. Give me one more moment until tomorrow. Kiss me like the first time until tomorrow. One more night, you and I, until tomorrow. I don't wanna say goodbye until tomorrow. You're in my dreams, the way that we used to be. Then I wake up and you turn away from me. Tell me I'm wrong, I don't know what to think. You say the word, I'd give you everything. I